Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to write proposal on Upwork. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and log into your Upwork account and find a job. For example, here, we're going to find a job right here. Let's say, for example, this one. I'm going to click on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have the option called Apply Now. Well, what we're going to do is just click on it and you will be landed to this page. All right, as you can see here, submit a proposal. Now what we're going to do is just scroll down a bit. All right, make sure that you read the job details. Okay, as you can see here, looking for a Spanish speaker that have an LG Smart TV. Well, you have to make sure that you have LG Smart TV. All right, requirements right here: decent microphone, screen recording software on TV or phone camera. All right, proficiency in Spanish, and of course LG Smart TV. Now this is how their workflow works. Just go ahead and make sure that you read everything. Okay, if someone asks you to leave a video with the proposal, all right, go ahead and make them before you send a proposal. Then include that in the proposal itself. All right, now in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down. If you want to bid, go ahead and make your bid right here. All right, and the calculation that you will receive will be listed in here. Now you can just go ahead and scroll down, and as you can see, we are now in the cover letter area. This is where we write our proposal. All right. Say for example, the cover letter right here, just make it simple. Hi, I have an LG TV or Smart TV. I have experience in this type of job. I can start working right away. All right. For these types of a freelancing job, you'll have to be on point. No flowery words. All right. Well, you might ask, how do I know it? Because I have an Upwork client account and I hire people. All right. I don't usually take or look at the flowery words. I normally look for specific information. Then in here, as you can see, you'll be able to add some attachments. Just go ahead and click on this one and your computer's directory or phone's directory will be opened. So what we're going to do is just find a video, photo, or even PDF or Word. Just go ahead and select that and hit on open, and it will be attached right here. Now, once done, again, scroll all the way down. If you want to, you can go ahead and add a portfolio right here or add a certificate. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to add in some certificate. As you can see here, I have a certificate right here from Upwork itself. I'm just going to go ahead and click on select highlight. It's added in here, add to highlights. All right. If you want to add in some portfolio, just going to click on add portfolio, select this one and add to highlights as well. After that, just go ahead and click on submit proposal and you'll be good to go. All right. Just basically wait for the client to reply if he or she is interested with your proposal. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.